what is a startup. We can define a startup as a temporary organization designed to search for a repeatable and scalable business model. So the broader point is that any startup is it's a new entrepreneurial venture, uh, built by an entrepreneur, built by a startup founder, typically needs to have a business model which is scalable and repeatable and really can grow really further, right? So startup number one is a highly innovative product or a services company. It's a new entrepreneurial venture. It's an entity which is building a highly innovative product or a highly innovative service. Number one. Number two, it should be solving a big and a real problem, right? So if you are a startup founder, you should be solving a problem, right? And of course, when I say the word problem, may not mean like a problem. You can also be solving a luxury goods problem, or maybe like a lifestyle problem. That's a different topic, different debate, different subject for another day. But you should be, as a startup, should be solving a real and a big problem, right? Your entire model in general should be highly scalable, right? So if your model is not scalable, you are into a model which is around brick and mortar. So if you look at any kind of a startup in the country or maybe internationally, if you look at like a company like a Google, which almost has is a highly scalable company, has 96% of the entire market share. If you look at Facebook, extremely scalable. If you look at Paytm, if you look at Oyo, if you look at Ola, Uber for that matter, right? They're extremely scalable companies, right? So scalability comes as a very critical factor. And last but not the least, what makes you scalable? The technology backing. So if you are a brick and mortar company with zero technology backing or with no technology interface, technically you're not a startup. You're then just a business, or you're just another venture which is done for some sort of a trading or transaction or things like that. But technology is basically a very critical and a core component of what makes you a startup, right? So quickly summarizing these 5 points, you have to be very innovative. You have to be solving a real and a big problem. You have to have a very highly scalable model. And last but not the least, you need to have a technology based or a technology backing in your entire system, right? All of these combined things combined together makes you startup.